yung cellphone ko na nagla-line na, naghahang na, tapos parang wala ng kulay, minsan nagpuputi. Kaya yung ginagamit ko yon na sa akala ko walang nagchat-chat sa akin, meron pala nagchat-chat, yun pala ang cellphone ko naghang, hindi na siya nag-move. Yung nakikita ko na lang nag-move is yung time dito sa live ko, nakikita ko nag-move kasi umaandar pa rin yung mga seconds diyan, minutes diyan, pero hindi yung talagang mga ano niyan, yung gaya niyan. Hindi ko na nakikita yung nag-chat-chat sa akin. Yun ang nangyayari. Oh, Franco, oh. So it's already 7, guys. I need to drop Franco in school. I hope you can wait for me. I'll be right back here. I'm really sorry that I cannot bring my phone with me. Kasi ihatid ko siya sa sakayan, okay? Bye, Sander! Hello, Sir Ram! Ihatid ko muna si Franco, Sir Ram, ha? Ito kasing phone na to, Sir Ram. Ito ngayon, yung gamit ko sa live. Hindi ko siya, wala siyang ano. Data. Yeah, wala siyang data, wala siyang SIM card. Kaya hindi ko siya, I cannot bring this phone with me, Sander. Because I don't have SIM card in this phone. I don't have data here. So, if I'm going to drop Franco to school now, I cannot bring the phone, but I'll be right back right away. If yeah, I'm just sending him to the commute. Yeah, it will do commute. Yeah, I will be ride commuters here to go to school. So, yan lang po, nandyan lang. Okay, just there. Okay, I'm back and somehow still have Wi-Fi even I'm outside. Yeah, the phone that I'm using now is don't have any SIM card. So there will be no Wi-Fi for this phone. So I cannot bring my live. Yeah, I cannot bring my live, but I could able to reply you. I can able to reply you because I'm gonna bringing my other phone. So Goldie here, guys, will be entertaining you guys. Ayan si Goldie. Ayan si Goldie. Have a nice day, Franco. Hoy, Franco, have a nice day daw, sabi ni Sander. Hindi ka nag-hi kay Sander, Frank. Pag-hi kay Sander, nandito, have a nice day daw, oh. Sabi ko, oh. Say hi lang. Sabi niya, have a nice day, Franco.
Hi.
Oh, pakita ka sa camera kasi to respect. Dito na. So, hi, Sander. Mag-school ka na, sabihin mo. Sabihin mo, doon. Oh, yan, oh.
I'm going to school.
Yeah, he's going to school. Oh, ito yung bag mo, Franco. Guys, I'm going to bring Carlo. I'm going to bring Franco home. Okay, Franco home. I'm sending ko. I will be sending Franco there, ha? I'll be right back. So, Sander, hi, Franco. Goldie to be the new star of the live. Yeah, Goldie will be the one entertaining you right now. Kasi kailangan ko na ihatid si Franco, guys. Okay? Kailangan ko na siya ihatid. Saan yung wallet ko dito? Sandali lang. Ang pinay mong baso, ibutang na ito sa kuwan. So, Goldie will be, I will leave Goldie for you guys. Franco is Sander. Franco is in the hurry, Sander. He's in the hurry because, kailangan namin talaga magsakay. Kailangan na namin magpunta ng sakayan. So, I will leave you guys with my cat here, with my Goldie cat. With my Goldie cat here. Bye again. Bye, Sander. Good morning, Franco and mataas na akong dugo. Atong mga troll. Oo, mag-workout sa ako. Samtang ni up ang akong go exercise time. Oh my God. Pahinga ka muna, Sir Ram. Kay nalitasin kong dugo. Yeah, ako hindi ko na ginamayan yan ganyan, Sir Ram. Sanay na ako ng ganyan. Bato na ako sa mga ganyan talaga. Hindi ko na sila ginamayan. Okay, Sir Ram, punta mo na ako, ha. Para sakay ko muna si Franco, Sir Ram. So for now, harap ko muna yung live kay Goldie. So Goldie here will be entertaining you guys while I'm away. Yan, but ilagay ko yan sa like and subscribe. Okay, Goldie Gat will be here. Okay, guys. Yes, si Goldie, guys. Okay, I hope Goldie will be watching you. Okay, bye, Gogi. Diyan ka lang, Gu. So, iiwan talaga kita, ha, dito, ha. Diyan si Goldie, oh.